Hey everybody, it's Rachael Merrick from Merrick Makings, an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator here in Australia. I am very excited. This is one or four videos for Fun Fold. This one's a Fun Fold swap, but I did do 4 videos for the 4 swaps that I participated in OnStage. Now I am videoing this several days before Brisbane OnStage. Tropical cyclone has gone through, so it's very wet here. And decided to pop the videos together in preparation for all of my swapping. So if I did swap with you, thank you very much. I'm really excited to be going to OnStage. This is my second OnStage. I am using the Delightful Wishes set today for my Fun Fold card. This is a tower Fun Fold. I have done a very similar one. It's listed in all of my other videos as well, but this is the one I did for OnStage swaps. So I did use the Ocean Friends DSP for this one. The back side of them, the ones with all the nice graphic designs on them. So you can see there I'm using Versamark just to do this inner flap. Now that whole folded piece is 8 centimeters by 8 centimeters. I don't think I popped that in my description. If you do go to my blog, you will find a list of all of the products that I did use in this project. I have done that for all 4 projects. I haven't done specifics for a lot of the measurements, although in this video it will pop up. Most demonstrators can kind of eyeball it anyway. You can see I did use the circles from Spotlight on Nature to do lots of layering. So I did use the die cuts from this bundle as well. So you can see the word wishing has 3 layers to it. So I popped all those together. The top one I did do some heat embossing for my for the word wishing, just for it to stand out a little bit. This putting them together in a production line took me a long time. I won't lie, I was starting to really regret doing all these layers and things, but I do love the final look, and it is very much a Merrick card. So I wanted to make sure I was genuine in that. I have used the layering stamps in this to create this spray of gorgeous flowers that is going on that circle. You will find that this is a great card to give to people because it's got lots of elements of surprise in it. It's got that flap that opens. It does sit up beautifully as well, and you can see me just describing how to score this. So we have cut the A4 sheet in half so that it is a long ways, and then we are going to score it. So we're at 14.8, which is a normal half, like where you would normally do your a card base is what I'm trying to say, and then every 4 centimeters apart from that. So I did put the measurements down. So each part of that block that stands up, the tower, is 4 centimeters wide, and then you have that little flap that gets glued to the bottom as well, and that holds it all in place. If you've never given this Fun Fold a go, please do. Whether it's this video that inspires you or my other video, which also uses Delightful Wishes, the tower fold. These are just lots of fun. I find that the hidden element of having that little extra pop-up flap to put all of your message in definitely is, for me, is better, because then most times we would put that on the back of these kinds of cards. But for this one, it sort of keeps that message a little more private as well. You will see that I have used a couple of different, if you're in the swap with me, you may not have got this color way or these patterns. So I did run out of some of my beautiful pattern paper DSP when I was creating this, and so I had to use orange on some of them and that beautiful berry burst on others. So my cardstock also was 2 different colorways as well, but fabulous when it all goes together. And I do love the fact that I was able to use this DSP as a part of a card which was floral, even though the DSP itself is ocean an ocean theme, so that was really cool. Sorry. This is me trying to put it together so it remains on camera, having a little bit of trouble with the lighting, and I couldn't quite see into my video to make sure it was where you could see it. So this is very simple. The panels are of similar size. You can see I did make a mistake in the orientation of this one. All my others, it didn't seem to matter, but this one it did. But that's okay. You can't tell in the final product anyway. And putting it all together this way just means that it kind of that last tower piece comes together. Now the important part here is only glue on that section. Otherwise, your circle element won't allow your tower to pop up. I want that circle element to only sit on that middle panel of the tower. And really, this one here, all I did was I cut out all these little extra floral elements and used them to embellish. So lots of layers behind that circle. So when it is standing up, it really pops, and you can really tell that that is separate from the rest of the card. Very, very pretty. And, you know, I cut out lots and lots of these to create all of the cards that I did swap, and my desk was covered in them in the end, but they're very pretty indeed, and definitely I think made the card more embellished without having to use lots and lots of bling, as we call it, like all our rhinestones and things. But in saying that, I did use rhinestones for this. I did also use the sentiment you a happy birthday, so it's wishing you a happy birthday, and I did hand cut that just in little strips to add to the card front. It has got a great set of little sentiments in this this stamp set, and it's one of those ones that I'm really hoping might end up in the new annual catalogue, because I've just realised it's so versatile, all the different colourways you can use it in. I know that the suite, when you buy it, is blues and yellows, but I definitely love it in all of these brights. It really pops. Those florals are really pretty. And we are almost finished here. So adding our wonderful diamantes there. And yeah, it's been so much fun to put these together, and I'm sure I'm going to love meeting you all at OnStage. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.